Welcome back, dear viewers. Prime Minister Mustafa Madbouli hailed the development work made in Abdeen Courts complex and upgrading quality of services provided by the Ministry of Justice to the citizens. Madbouli said that there is an assignment by President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi to develop the historical Old Cairo in general, which is part of the state's plan for Cairo to restore its cultural role. The Prime Minister was speaking during his tour to inspect the renovation work in the Abdeen Court complex. He was accompanied by Minister of Justice Amra Marwan and Cairo Governor Khaled Abdullah. The Minister of Justice noted that the renovation work in the complex is the first since it was established in the 30s of the last century. He noted that this comes as part of the ministry's plan to develop and upgrade courts to create an environment suitable for the judges and citizens. The new services include the moving registry office car, which provides all these services. Prime Minister Dr. Mustafa Madbouli shared the first meeting with the Higher Medicine Committee, which has been formed to follow up on the work of the Egyptian Drug Authority and Unified Procedure Authority. In coordination between them, the committee will submit an annual quarter report to President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi on the performance of the two authorities. The committee will convene every 3 months or when it is needed. It gets help from whomever it considers to carry out its tasks, then submits its report to the President. Egypt reported on Wednesday 911 new coronavirus infections, bringing the total number of cases to 127, 972 people since the outbreak hit the country in mid-February. The Health Ministry also reported 42 new deaths, bringing the total number of fatalities to 7,209. The ministry added that 398 patients were discharged from hospitals, increasing the number of those who have recovered to 107,961 people. Amid an increasing number of coronavirus cases, the cabinet discussed measures to curb the pandemic in a meeting headed by Prime Minister Mustafa Madbouli. Madbouli announced banning public festivities and gatherings, as well as sticking to the anti-coronavirus precautionary measures on New Year's Eve. Madbouli noted that any violation to these measures will be firmly punished, as the government is seeking to avoid a full shutdown. The Prime Minister also urged allocating a sufficient number of quarantine hospitals to provide treatment to the patients who may need who may need it. Ministry of Health hosted on Thursday a press conference on the latest developments and efforts to curb the spread of the coronavirus. The press conference reviewed the role of the Scientific Committee for Combating the Coronavirus in developing the treatment protocols. Head of the committee, Dr. Hussein Hosni, said the protocol is 100% Egyptian, with the priority of protecting the Egyptian people's health. He also went on to say that many researches were carried out to approve any drug before adding it to treatment protocol. For her part, Deputy Head of the Committee, Dr. Jihan Al-Assel, described the treatment protocol as comprehensive. She noted that the committee works all the time on modernizing and adding new drugs to the protocol to reach the best results.